Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDC on Moonpay. For that, first of all, you need to come here on Moonpay account. Here, when you log in into your account, on the home page itself, you are going to see buy, sell and swap options. So in order to purchase USDC, you need to simply tap on the option of buy. This is going to redirect you here on the gateway of purchasing cryptocurrencies. Now by default, Bitcoin will be selected here. So when you tap on the option of Bitcoin, you will be shown this type of section in front of you where you can basically just search for USDT or USDC. When you search for it, you will find USDC on various types of networks, like we have Ethereum, Arbitrum, then we have Solana. So I would recommend you to select USDC on the ERC20 network, then enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase USDC. It is going to show you the equivalent amount of USDC that you are going to get. After pressing the continue option here in the bottom, you need to select your favorable payment method and conclude the payment. Once your payment is done, you are going to get your USDC in your Moonpay account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.